Upon logging into the Diary.io website, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This area displays basic analytics about your progress and performance, including the courses you've completed, projects you've worked on, and sessions you've participated in. It's your personal overview of how you're advancing in your learning journey. To begin your learning, the first step is to click on the learning path. Here, you can find the course you're registered for and simply press the continue button to proceed. If you haven't enrolled in any program yet, click on the Enroll Now button to join one of our programs. Our approach to learning at Diary.io focuses on developing technical skills through hands-on experience. We've structured your learning journey into steps, each designed to build your expertise in a practical and engaging manner. Now, let's talk about steps. A step may include courses, which are a series of instructional videos like this one you're watching right now, that provide foundational knowledge about the concepts, about the different terminologies and technologies that you're going to be learning about. We also have the recommended learning. These are curated external materials from various sources such as Wikipedia, public blog posts, or even YouTube videos. These resources are optional but highly recommended to supplement your learning. Then we have the live classes. For those enrolled in a cohort-based learning, you'll find a schedule to join live classes at designated times. I'll be showing you where to register for these classes pretty soon, so hold on for a second. Then we have quizzes. To assess your understanding and skills, quizzes are integrated into your learning path so that you can check yourself as you go along. Then there is mini projects. These are real-world use cases where you start applying what you've learned by working on projects. These mini projects pave the way for more comprehensive projects later in your learning journey, and that leads me to the next type of project called the capstone project. These are culmination of your learning experience where you connect the dots by implementing end-to-end projects. These projects not only solidify your skills but also help you retain knowledge more efficiently and gives you ideas about the different industries and how to apply those knowledge in different areas such as fintech, healthcare, government, e-commerce, and so on. For every project, whether it's a mini or capstone project, you'll be encouraged to build a portfolio on GitHub, showcasing your work to potential employers and creating a profile that convinces a potential employer that you actually possess the skills to get the job done. Additionally, you submit your project for personalized feedback and scoring, ensuring you receive the right guidance to improve and excel. In the next video, we'll explore the different types of live sessions available on our platform and explore how you can interact with hands-on projects. See you there.